everyone knows, since I have shown you around the governance has collapsed, and this is the cause is the governor who allowed, by murdering the spirit of the constitution, allowed this government. Now, within 2 months she won't be there after the Lok Sabha election. She should at least cover up her faults of the past, sack this government and invite the Congress, who's the largest. Because the ministers are saying that there is no governance, not we. It is not. We are the single largest party. She has got a chance to correct herself as a governor, otherwise she will go down in history for having murdered the spirit of the constitution. She still has an opportunity to correct. And we are in the Lent season. She can repent. Change the scenario. Change it. Because the ministers are complaining publicly. One is saying, I don't know. The other is saying, what is happening? Bureaucrat is running. So the governance is collapsed. The government that she has sworn in is not functioning.